Hey guys, it's Chef Jason. We're hanging out in the kitchen today with my man, Chef RJ. How are you?
I'm doing great, Chef.
Awesome.
How are you doing?
What are we up to?
Well, I'm super pumped because today we're cooking with America's favorite vegetable, potatoes. All right, so when we cook potatoes at home in the oven, we're really aiming for 400 degrees in that oven. And you know, Jason, for the ultimate fluffy baked potato, you want to aim for 205 degrees on the inside of that potato. It makes sure that you have that light, fluffy mashed potato consistency, but that super crisp outside potato that we all love.
205 degree internal temperature is maximum fluffiness.
Maximum fluffiness. And we've gone through multiple trials of this recipe, but we're going to do that on the grill today. So what are some of the added benefits of cooking a baked potato on the grill?
Yeah, so the cool thing about the grill, really, I always tell people that the grill is just like your oven, right? 400 degrees in your oven or 400 degrees on a charcoal, pellet, or gas grill is the same. However, charcoal, you're gonna get that beautiful, robust charcoal finish, a little bit crispier skin, so that skin's gonna snap. Wood pellet, you're gonna get an even, slow absorption of wood-fired fun into those potatoes. Grill, you're gonna get that classic grill flavor with that nice hot temperature and a good snap of the skin. So it's kind of like you take it from the oven onto the grills and get a little bit different flavor from grill to grill to grill.
So what are some things we can do to cut down on the cook time so that people can spend more time with their families?
Yeah, and that's what it's all about, speed and efficiency, but you don't want to sacrifice quality, right? Everybody wants that beautiful product, but to speed it up. Pressure cookers or instant cookers are all the rage because now I'm talking 20 minutes, speed this process up, and then guess what? If I want the crispy skin, onto the grill or into my oven for a few minutes to get it finished.
Another avenue that we could go is we could use a microwave. In between 5 to 10 minutes in the microwave, we'll cook your potato most of the way there. Then we can pop these bad boys on the grill and we can get that skin crispy and that light and fluffy interior that everybody loves. All right, Chef, so we're gonna prep these bakers and all we're gonna do, nothing could be simpler. We're just gonna take a fork, we're gonna take this potato and we're just gonna pierce it all around the potato. This is going to prevent it from possibly bursting open, but it's also going to speed up the cook time. And then you have this awesome trick, what we mentioned earlier, right?
I got the potato nail, which I thought the potato nail was the end-all be-all, but now you're telling me if we pierce it a little bit and add the potato nail, we're in a pretty solid place.
I think we've got the best of both worlds there, Chef.
All right, so I'm going to put this guy all the way into the center, just like that. And it doesn't matter if it goes through, because now, check it out. We are like conducting some heat all the way through that spot. Now, into the bowl, right?
Yep, that's all we need to do. And then we're gonna hit that with just a little bit of olive oil.
So a little bit of light oil. And obviously, we're gonna do this to all of them, right?
That's right.
And then I coat it up.
And then we're just gonna add in just a little bit of some nice sea salt. You can use any type of salt, but we like that texture. And then some freshly cracked black pepper.
Look at that. Here we are, we're right about 50 minutes into cook. Time to check temperature now, right, for doneness?
Absolutely, Chef. So what you want to do is you want to take your thermometer and you want to put it into the thickest part of the potato and you're aiming for that 205 degrees Fahrenheit that we talked about.
But if I don't have a thermometer, what's another way to check?
So another way you can do this without a thermometer is all you have to do is take a knife and we want to do it in the center of the potato. If it goes in with little to no resistance, you know that your potato is done. So we grilled up some of America's favorite vegetable.
Absolutely.
We're talking about potatoes, right?
Yes.
So we kept it really classic and simple with this wonderful baked potato.
But wood-fired fun off the pellet grill.
But we can take this any direction, right? We can have lots of fun with it, and we can use these as a wonderful canvas for flavor. So what else do we have here, Chef?
You know, we wanted to do healthy, right? Because people want to eat a little bit healthier. So we had some leftover roasted broccoli and tomatoes, nice and healthy. You could put olive oil on there if you want, but we just kept it simple, letting everyone kind of create their flavor. And then you and I are flavor freaks, right?
Always.
We did a little taste of the Southwest. So I've got some Rojo sauce. I've got a little sauce verde, cheese, a little bit of seasonings. Totally Southwestified.
So completely customizable. We're using great vegetables, and we're keeping it simple. Dinner in just a matter of minutes, right?
And we adapted that oven recipe onto the grill, showing so much versatility in potatoes.
I love it.